How to register QNB Bank mobile banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can register for QNB Bank's mobile banking account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to register for the QNB Bank mobile banking, first of all you want to make sure to actually download the correct application, because there are many types of application that you could be confused. This is the application that you want to download, because you can see the developer is also the official QNB. So just go ahead and download this QNB mobile application. So once you do that, just go ahead and open it up. Now in order to register it might give you some pop-ups. So first of all, just select your country of region, just select where you live, and you'll see this kind of interface. At the very top left you'll find the option called QNB login, so just tap on it. Now if you've already registered for mobile banking, you can enter your username, password, and then log into your account. But if you've not yet registered, then just tap on the register now button at the bottom. Now first of all, just make sure you already have an existing bank account on the QNB Bank, because if you don't have an existing bank account, you'll not be able to register for mobile banking. The first thing you can do is simply enter the debit card or credit card number that you have of your QNB Bank. Now after you've done that, just also make sure to enter the credit or debit card PIN number this time, not the card but the PIN number. Then you have to choose a username for yourself which you want to use whenever you want to log into your mobile banking. Then you have to simply enter a new password and then re-enter the new password again if you want to use. After you've done that, if you want to create a hint question so that when you forget your password and you want to reset it, it will ask you that question, and then you have to enter a hint answer. Then after you've done that, just tap and submit, verify your phone number and so on, and then you should be able to successfully register and then log into your mobile banking account. That's all it takes to register for QNB mobile banking. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.